one thing straight. You don't just buy a Vespa, you adopt a personality. One minute you're a regular person. Next minute you've got a scarf, an opinion about espresso, and you're seriously considering learning Italian. This is what the Vespa does to people. It's been doing it since 1946, and it shows absolutely no signs of stopping. Piaggio launched the Vespa after World War II, designed by an aeronautical engineer, which explains why it looks like nothing else on two wheels, and also why it occasionally behaves like it's operating under completely different rules to the rest of us. The name means wasp in Italian, appropriate. It's compact, it's buzzy, and it will sting your wallet in ways you did not anticipate. That monocoque steel body is genuinely clever engineering. No frame as such. The body is the frame, which sounds brilliant until you've got a dent somewhere structural and suddenly it's not just cosmetic anymore. Congratulations, you're a panel beater now. And the gear change? No conventional twist grip here, mate. Vespa put the gears on the handlebars, a little twisting lever on the left side that feels completely wrong for about 3 weeks, and then suddenly feels like the only logical way to change gears that has ever existed. Uncomfortable, slightly embarrassing, and eventually oddly satisfying. Workshop time. The Vespa is Italian, which means it was built with enormous passion, genuine style, and an absolute disregard for standardized fasteners. You will need metric, you will need imperial, you will need something that doesn't appear in any catalog, but which an old bloke at a swap meet will produce from a tobacco tin like it's completely normal. The electrics on older models are their own special adventure. Let's just say Lucas wasn't the only one having a bad day in the 20th century. You know you're a Vespa person when you've spent more time sourcing a correct badge than actually riding the thing. When you've described the oil leak as characterful, when you've told someone it's Italian engineering with the confidence of someone who has never actually fixed Italian engineering at 8 p.m. on a Sunday, but when it's running right, that distinctive two-stroke soundtrack echoing off the buildings, there is nothing else like it. Nothing. So do yourself a favor, head to my50.com, grab the manual, and stop letting your Vespa sit there judging you from the corner of the garage. It wants to be ridden, you want to ride it. Sort it out. Bella macchina. Download the manual. Andiamo.